How to play pocket broker trading for beginners. So first off is you could actually choose between your laptop PC or maybe from the application itself. So just simply head straight into Pocket Broker or Pocket Options official site and make sure that you are logged in into your account. So this is their actual homepage. Now, once you've successfully logged in, what's good or what I can recommend for beginners is to execute or to use a demo account. Now, from here, just go straight into finance, and these are all your features that you can use. So for your demo account, you do not need to deposit any amount. You do not actually need to withdraw as well because that's for a free trial only. Now just go into trading and then here just simply choose on quick trading demo account. Once you select that, you will be given or you will be allocated a certain amount. Now from here, you can just simply adjust it to any amount you want. You could also try to change currencies from in here. So say for example, you would like to buy. Just simply input the amount, hit on buy, and then this will pinpoint on a specific instance where you purchased that crypto. You could also sell it depending on your state. Now from here to your right portion, you could check out an opened and closed trades. You could also try to look for insights, social trading, express trades, pending tax, and your hotkeys as well. Now entering up into the community of trading is quite a bit complex. You really need to study before doing it on an live money depositing. And that is how you play bucket burger trading for beginners.